Hello kids, my name is Miss Morsharia Devanshi. I am from Saraswati Group of Education. Today what we are going to do? We are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 3, that is our family. Right? What we are going to do? We are going to solve the exercise which is given in your textbook of chapter number 3, that is our family. So we are going to do that. Okay, so kids, we have learned in this chapter the relationship, right? We have learned what is the meaning of parents. Parents means mama and papa. We have learned what is the meaning of grandparents. Parents na parents, so that is grandparents are called our grandparents such as dada dadi and nana nani. Then we have learned what is the meaning of sibling. Our real brother and sister are called our sibling. Right, then we learned the meaning of uncle. Brother of our mama and papa are called our uncle. Then we also learned the meaning of aunt. Sister of our mama and papa are called our aunt. Then we learned the meaning of cousins. Son and daughter of our uncle and aunt are called our cousins. So we have learned the relationships. Then we learned 3 types of family. That is small family or nuclear family where only parents and children are living together. Then we learned large family or joint family where parents, children, grandparents or parents, children, grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins, all of them are living together. And at last we learned single parent family where either mother or father are taking care of their child. Right? So that is the thing that we have understood already. Right? There are 3 types of family. And then at last we learn how can we take care of our family. We learn what can we do to help our mama and papa. Didi has told you, right? You need to pick up after yourself. If you are done playing, you need to pick up the toys that you have played with and keep it at the proper place. Right? Then if you have spilled something, if you have spilled water, it is your duty to clean it up. So these are the different things that I have told you to do. राइट, इस चैप्टर में हमने कई सारी चीजें सीखी है, जैसे कि सभी रिलेशनशिप्स, अंकल किसे कहते हैं, आंट किसे कहते हैं, पेरेंट्स किसको कहते हैं, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स किसको कहते हैं, कजिन्स, सिबलिंग्स, वो सब। और फिर हमने ये भी सीखा कि कितनी टाइप्स की फैमिलीज होती है। 3 टाइप्स की फैमिलीज होती है, स्मॉल, लार्ज एंड सिंगल पेरेंट। कौन सी फैमिली में कौन कौन होता है वो भी हम लोगों ने सीख लिया है। और हमने लास्ट में ये भी सीखा कि हम लोग अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स की का ख्याल कैसे रख सकते हैं, उनका ध्यान कैसे रख सकते हैं, वो सब भी हमने सीखा है। So this is the chapter which is very much important for all of us. Now we are going to solve the exercise with the help of which it would be better for you to understand the chapter more. Right? Let us start.
Okay, so kids, as we have discussed, as we have understood, to understand the filling the blanks and to solve the further questions, we need to learn the page, we need to read down the page and get to the details, right? Here the page is given, giving us the details about types of family, right? So we are going to read a little bit about that. We are going to know the details. We already have learned types of family, so it would be much easier for you to understand, right? So families are of many types, right? We have already learned that mainly there are 3 types of family. One is small, second is large, and the third one is a single parent family. Some families are small, some are big. This is Anu. She lives with her parents, grandparents, sibling, uncle, aunt, and cousins. Theirs is a large or joint family when everyone is living together, that is, uncle, aunt, cousins, and grandparents, and parents and children. When all of them will be living together, it will be called a large family or a joint family. Right, here you can also see the pictures of grandparents, parents and sibling, aunt and uncle, and cousins. Right, then the next paragraph is giving us about giving us the details about a boy called John. Let us read and understand that. Anu's friend John lives with his parents and sister. There is a boy, little boy you can see in the picture. Who is he living with? He is living with his sister and parents. Right? Theirs is a small or nuclear family. This family will be called either small or this will be called nuclear family. Now you all know nuclear family is a type of family in which only parents and children are living together. Right? Harpreet is John's and Anu's friend. You can see there is a little girl in the picture. At the left, she is standing near her father and a little pet. Right? Harpreet lives with her father, grandparents, and Ginger, their pet cat. Right? Theirs is a single parent family when only one parent, that is either mother or father, is taking care of their children, then it will be called single parent family. Now that you have understood this page, now you have learned this page, it will be much easier for you to solve the further questions, right? Further exercise which we need to be solving in this lecture. Right? So let us understand the first, that is textual exercise between the chapter. Let us solve those blanks and then move ahead. Okay, so kids, as we said, we will check out the checkpoint, right? What we are going to do? We are going to solve the blanks which is given in the middle of the chapter, right? So here we are supposed to be fill up the blanks with the help of the hints given, right? Here you can see in the yellow box there are few hints given. We have to read the question thoroughly and need to see which will be the appropriate answer for it. Right? So that is the way we are supposed to be going in. We are supposed to be moving ahead in that direction. Let us read the first question. The first question is, Anu has dash cousins. Now we have already seen, right, Anu's family. Anu is living with her parents, sibling, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and how many cousins? There were 2, right? If you have seen the picture, you can see and observe that there were 2 cousins, right? John lives in a dash family. John kay family માં રહે છે? We have already learned that John lives in a nuclear family with his sister and parents. Right? Then the third one is the name of Harpreet's pet is dash. What was the name of their pet cat? It was Ginger. What was the name? The name was Ginger. Right? Then the fourth one is the brother of our father is called our dash. The brother of our father is called our uncle. You all are right. John has a dash sibling. We have seen, right? John is living with whom? His sister and parents. So he has one sibling, right? So these are the things we have solved with the help of the explanation which we did just now. So this you are supposed to be solving in your textbook. I hope you all are very much clear with that and thorough with that. Okay, so kids, as I said, as I described now, we will be solving the actual chapter, and that is the last exercises after we have done completing the chapter. That is tick the correct answer. The first one is tick the correct answer. Here there is a question given. We need to see the options provided. We need to choose the correct answer from that and then put a tick there. Right? So the first question is, the children of our uncles and aunts are called our dash. Who are they called? Are they called our siblings? No, siblings are the one who are our real brother and sister. We have same parents, right? Cousins? Yes, cousins are son and daughter of our uncles and aunts. So B will be the correct answers. They can be also a friend, but the actual term will be cousins, right? Then the next one is, a large family is also called a dash family. Large family can be also called a joint family, right? Nuclear family will be small family. Single parent family is a totally different type. So A is the correct answer, right? Then the third one is, Harpreet lives with her dash grandparents and pet. Harpreet was living with her father. As we all saw in the picture, she is living with her father, right? Then the fourth one is, there are dash members in John's family. How many members were there in John's family? John, his sister and parents, right? There were 4 members. So B will be the correct answer. Anu, John and Harpreet are dash. They all were what? As we saw in the description, as we understood the page, we learned that all of them were friends. Then the A will be the correct answer, right? So I hope you all understood the question very well. You understood the types of family very well, and on the basis of that you were able to solve the exercise which is provided here. Now we are going to solve the next question. Let us move on. Let us learn about that. Okay, so as we have solved the question number A, we are now going to move ahead with B, right? In B question, you have to look at the picture very carefully, and we are supposed to be helping mama bird to go to its baby birds. You can see that there is a mama bird who is wearing a scarf and holding food for their baby bird, and she wants to go there. But which is the way with the help of which she can go to her house, she can go to her babies, that we need to find out. So that is the question that you need to solve by your own, right? You are supposed to be finding out a way where it is not any blockage, anything hindering to the bird to reach to its babies. So we need to do it in a way where there is nothing that is stopping the bird, no line that is stopping the bird. Okay, so this is the second question that you are supposed to be doing in your textbook itself, right? It is to be done in which book? It is to be done in your textbook on page number 17. So this is the B question. Need to look at the picture very carefully. That means that you have to observe the picture. To look at any picture carefully, it means that we are observing it, right? So that is the thing that you are supposed to be doing very nicely, and then you are supposed to be solving the question. Done? Okay, so kids, as we have already solved question number A and B, now we are going to solve the C one, that is D code. Now here we have to look at the picture very carefully. We have to look and understand what is the given in the picture. That means that we have to observe it. We have recently learned the word observed in our sight words thing. Observe means carefully looking at something, right? Whenever we are looking at something very carefully with our focus, with our attention, that means that we are observing it. Right here, the first question is which type of family is shown in the picture. So you can see grandparents are there, parents are there, child is there, everything, pet is there. So it is a large family because grandparents are also there with them. Okay, so first one will have the answer that it is a large family. Now the second question is how many family members are there in the picture. So you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, because pet is also our family member. Pet lives in our house as our family member. So it is said that it is also what? It is our family. Okay, so here, as we have said, as we have learned, that when parents and children are living together, it is small family. But when grandparents, parents and children are living together, then it will become what? It will become large family. Okay, so this is the thing that we need to learn, that we need to understand whenever we are thinking about the type of family. So I hope you all are very much clear with this thing. With this, now we are going to move forward, that is with the question number D, that is answer the following, right, where we are supposed to be answering the questions that are provided. So that is it for the day. Now we are going to move forward to the last question, that is D question. Here we are done with the question number C.
Okay, so kids, as we have solved question number A, B and C, now we are going to move ahead with our last one, that is D. Right, here what we are supposed to be doing? We are supposed to be answering these questions, right? There are questions written and then we have to answer them correctly. So the first question is, what is family? So what have we learned? People who live together, people who love each other and the people who take care of each other are called family. Here I will write, people who live together makes a family. They love and care for each other. They love and care for each other. So this will be the answer according to Didi. If you want to write something new, something different, then also you can write. Then the next one is name families or the name types of families. What we are supposed to be doing? We are supposed to be naming the types of families. So while we were doing the revision, we saw that there are three types: small or nuclear, joint or large, and single parent family. Right, so Didi has written the names here. Right, and the third question is, write any two fun things family members do together. Here Didi has not written the answer. Why? Because that you have to write by your own. You have to write any two things that your family is doing together for fun. Me, in my family, we watch TV together, we go out for eating. That is the thing that we do for fun in our family. Right? So you have to write what do your family do to have fun. Okay? So that is why I have not written the answer here that you are supposed to be doing. Okay? So kids, with this, it is the end of our exercise solving. Now we are going to have quick recap of our full chapter. Okay, so kids, we are going to understand with the help of this so that it is quick for you to understand. These are the things that we have done in our chapter. By hearing the word family, we get care, help, live together and love in our mind. When the family is there, we feel love for each other, we care for each other, we live together and we help each other, right? And then we learn types of family. There are three: small or nuclear, where only parents and children are living together, right? And large and joint, there parents, children, grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins, all of them are living together. Here in single parent family, here Didi has written parent and child, not parents. આ બધામાં જો parents એવું લખેલું છે. Here Didi has written only parent, that means કાં તો mama or papa, right? And child are living together and taking care of the family. So these are the things that we have done in this chapter. I hope you all are very much clear with the same. I am giving you the minute to look at the thing very nicely, very easily. Just take a minute and look at the thing. I am moving aside. I hope you are now very much clear with the things, right? Okay, so kids, this was the exercise solving of chapter number 3, that is our family. With this, we are done with our chapter, right? These 3 chapters are the chapters that are going to come in your exam. That is chapter number 1, chapter number 2, and chapter number 3. These are the 3 chapters that are going to come in your exam. So I want you all to be well prepared. I want you all to be start preparing for the same, right? So please start preparing for your exam. This you need to complete in your textbook. All the exercises that we have solved, that you need to complete in your textbook itself, right? That you need to do what? That you need to complete in your textbook itself. So we are going to do that and you have to solve it in your textbook. This is the homework that you are supposed to be doing, right? So kids, this was the session in which we got over with chapter number 3. I hope you all are very much clear with that, very much thorough with that. So this was the session of today. Until we are seeing each other next time, what we are going to say? We are going to say bye.